Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to search for a status on WhatsApp. Yes, this tutorial we shall be looking at how you can search for any status on WhatsApp after the new update. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, to search for any user and then view their status, all you need to do is to just open your WhatsApp and then click on the search button over here. Now once you open your WhatsApp and that chat, just search for the person you want to view his or her status. So let me search this lady. Now once you search for the person you want to view his or her status, now you can see this blue button around the person's profile. Now this blue color around the person's profile means the person has updated his or her status. So just click on that and it's gonna take you to their status over here, so you can see it over here. Now let's say you have already watched their status but you want to rewatch it once again. In this case there is no blue option around there is no blue color around their profile, so it will be very hard to view their status in this way. So all you need to do is to click on their profile, click on their info, and once you do that you can see their profile. Just click on their profile. Now once you click on their profile, you can see view profile photo and also view status. Just click on this and it's gonna take you back to their status. So with this you can search for any user and also view their status as well. This is very simple, and with this you can search for any specific user on WhatsApp and view their status. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new